Now, I said earlier that the page title is the most critical on-page element that you can control when implementing keywords into your website. We're going to explain why in this session. You see, when we talk about your page title, and you can see that in the code, you control the content that is in the code. Now, why is this element so important? The main reason is that the search engines show us why that element is so important. You see, when we look at the search engine results page, the results are made up of a specific group of elements that are taken directly from our web pages. You see, the page title is blue and underlined. It's a direct link, and it utilizes the same words in the same order as the page title that renders on the browser bar. And so the page title that you put on every page is the first marketing message that a searcher will see specifically for that page in the rankings. The green text is the URL of that page. The black text is descriptive text that can either come from the page or from the meta description. Again, that is completely under your control, although the search engines may take chunks of text and put it together. Then you'll also see some of these links underneath that are not underlined, but they're blue, and we call those site links. And those are links to individual pages on the website. And so the search engine results page, as you can see, uses elements from your code directly on the results page. So all of these things are completely under your control. So if we go back to our page on Explore California, we can see that the page title on the browser is also the same title that's used in the search engine results page. And then we can also see that it's coming from the code. This is why the page title is so critical. As I said, it's the first thing a searcher will see about your site. And so not only must it be relevant, using a keyword that the searcher typed in, but it also must present a compelling message, a reason for someone to click on that result as compared to the 9 other results or even more results depending upon if there's multimedia or maps or local listings. And so your page title needs to be concise and it needs to be unique for every page, utilizing the keywords. That page title is used by every search engine. It doesn't matter what search engine it is, all the formats of those search engine results pages use the same elements. It's the first thing the searcher is going to see, and so you need to think clearly about the message you are trying to get across through that page title when implementing a keyword, that it's not just for the search engine, but it's for the searcher to attract the click-through to your website.